Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Improve your English. Today, you will listen to a story in English. First, I will read it slowly. Then I will ask you some questions to check your understanding. Finally, we will review answers together. Let's begin. Last Saturday, David woke up early in the morning. He decided to spend the day in the city. After breakfast, he took the bus to downtown. He arrived. The streets were already busy. There were many people walking, shopping, and drinking coffee. David's first stop was the bookstore. He spent almost 1 hour looking at travel books and novels. Finally, he bought a book about learning Spanish. Next, David walked to the park. He sat on a bench, read his new book, and watched children playing. The weather was sunny and warm, so the park was full of families. At lunchtime, David went to a small restaurant near the park. He ordered a chicken sandwich and a glass of lemonade. The food was delicious and the waiter was very friendly. In the afternoon, David visited the city museum. He enjoyed looking at the paintings and photographs. He especially liked the section about modern art. Before going home, David stopped at a supermarket. He bought some milk, bread, and fruit for the week. In the evening, he took the bus back home. He felt a little tired but very happy. It was a long day, but also a wonderful day in the city. Now questions. Where did David go on Saturday? What did he buy at the bookstore? What did David do at the park? What did he eat and drink for lunch? Which part of the museum did he like most? What did David buy at the supermarket? How did David feel at the end of the day? Now answers. He went to the city. He bought a book about learning Spanish. He sat on a bench, read his book, and watched children playing. He ate a chicken sandwich and drank lemonade. He liked the modern art section. He bought milk, bread, and fruit. He felt tired but happy. Great work, everyone. You finished today's listening practice. Try listening again to improve your skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe for more English listening practice. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.